Hello champs, welcome to the Coding Champ. Once again, you are very welcome to our new course 3D modeling. So in this course, we are going to learn how we can create 3D models. When I was a kid, I played lot of games, and there were some. I was very curious about how these models has been introduced inside the games, like how these car put it into the games, how these guns, too many types of guns put it into the games. I was very curious, and to find the answer of this question, I have learned 3D modeling. So what is this 3D modeling all about? In this course, we are going to create 3D models, how we can create 3D models, what are the different types of shapes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, views. Okay, we are going to learn all these things inside this course, and the software we are going to use is Google Sketchup. So Google Sketchup is one of the very used software by the architectures to create the designs of their homes, okay, to architect and create the 3D models of their homes. So in this course, we are going to do designing and learn new things about how we can create 3D models.